Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iwanugo Chinelo Clementina. If this is your first time of watching my video, I'm all about keeping natural hair care simple and affordable without compromising results. Today, I'm breaking down the best protective styles that not only look good, but also help your natural hair to grow, especially if you are low on time and money. Whether you are transitioning from relaxed to natural hair, or you're already on natural hair, or you are tired of breakage, this one is for you. Now let's quickly talk about why protective styles matters. Protective styles help tuck your ends away and reduce manipulation, which is the major cause of breakage. Now, not all protective styles are created equal. Some are made too tight or left too long, and they end up doing more harm than good. Here are key benefits of protective style. Your protective style should help you to retain moisture, minimize breakage, reduce daily manipulation, promote length retention, and saves time and money. Here are top protective styles that would help you to retain length. Number 1, flat twist or 2-strand twist. Like the one I'm wearing now is flat twist. Flat twist is my go-to hairstyle. You can either do a chunky flat twist or a mini flat twist depending on your hair type. They are very light on the scalp, easy to moisturize, and they don't pull your edges. Number 2 is cornrows, either straight back or updos. Clean neat cornrows can last up to 2 or 3 weeks, and I prefer the ones that doesn't stress my hairline, and you can rock it under a wig. Number 3 is low manipulation bun or puff. Don't sleep on good slick back bun. If your hair is in a stretched state, you can do this without tension. Just avoid too much gel and edge control. Number 4 is mini braids. I do this when I want to take a longer break. Mini braids takes time, but it lasts longer, and you can style it in different ways, or you can just wear them down. Number 5, wigs under cornrows. Wigs give you the look without you touching your real hair daily. Just make sure you take care of what is underneath the wig. Don't wear your wig and leave what is underneath. Here are what to avoid with protective style. Listen, protective styles are protective when they are done right. Avoid styles that pull your edges, or wearing protective styles for a very long time, or not moisturizing your hair when you are wearing a protective style. And finally, neglecting your scalp. If you're wearing a wig, sometimes let your scalp breathe. Remove your wig, clean your scalp, oil it, and love it. This is how I care for my hair while in a protective style. I moisturize my hair 3 times in a week with water, leave-in conditioner, and a hair cream, and I use a hair oil to massage my scalp. And at night, I cover my hair with a satin bonnet, and I wash my hair twice in a month, even while on protective styles. So that is it, loves. These styles has saved me time, helped my hair to grow, and kept my routine simple. Which of these styles are you going to try next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. And leave me a comment if you want a detailed video of how to install any of this style by yourself. See you in my next video.